Hey, what's going on? It's Leon. I'm having a little issue with my unit. It was working before, but when I use a net thermostat to control it, um, it was said there's no power going to the thermostat. So this is blinking on this one. I don't know, is it supposed to be blinking? Because I checked my other unit. It's a steady green. All right. So let me know. I'm gonna take a recording of the one that's on and with the steady green. Waiting for a countdown, 24 seconds. So after I reconnect the RJ45, it told me that there's no power still. So what I went to do, I went to restart the breaker for the 120 volt units on. And there we go. It's working now. After I did reconnect everything, I wouldn't turn the breaker off. That powers the drop here. Thank you so much. You're a boss.